Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the update of the Klaiyi that I showed you guys in my previous video. I showed you guys how I made this wig, so I'm just gonna go straight and tell you guys what I'm doing in this video. I packed the hair into like two places where I actually wanted the highlight to, show up on the closure. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then when I'm done with the pattern, then I took my bleach powder and my developer, which is by Schwarzkopf. It's called Blonde Me. I'm trying this for the first time and I really quite like it. I like the consistency of the developer and all. But anyway, I mixed the bleach with the developer. I made sure that the consistency was really, like not really thick paste, but it was like ice cream kind of consistency, if that makes sense. So I stirred it all together and made sure that I was happy with the consistency. Then I applied it on the hair. I actually started with the first two parts that I did on the closure first, and I applied the mixture on the hair, then cover it with foil. It's quite self-explanatory, but I kept doing the same thing at the back as well. I just decided to, apply the highlights on the half area of the head or the hair, if that makes sense. It's self-explanatory so far. I just kept applying the bleach on the areas where I actually wanted to highlight. I kept going back and forth until I was quite happy with what I was doing. So depending on the look you're going for, but so far so good. I actually intended to only apply the bleach on half of the back of the hair, if that makes sense, which is what you'd see me do right now, and all around the part of the hair that I actually wanted to highlight. So that's what I did. And when I applied the bleach, I cover it with foil just to speed up the process of the bleaching process. So that's what I did so far. And I kept going back and forth until I'm quite satisfied that I've applied it on all areas that I actually wanted to highlight. So depending on the look you're going for, but I'm quite surprised with this bleach really, because compared to other bleach that I've been using, this one actually lifted the hair to a high level, which I didn't really actually needed to go back to bleach it again. So I only bleached the hair once, guys, once. So I imagine if you actually want to go blonde, then you can bleach the hair twice. But so far so good. This is the look I was going for. Guys, what do you think about this hair? I am loving it so far, guys. Look at that. So I actually mixed the parts where I actually applied the Tresemme Heat Protection Spray, which was the only thing that I applied on the hair. I curled the hair on both sides, and I just kept going back and forth. Guys, look at the curls. The curls are burping, guys. They are popping. I love the curls so far. I really love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair still kept its luster throughout the styling process. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that. I didn't apply any product whatsoever apart from the Tresemme Heat Protection Spray, which is very essential. So that's the look I was going for, and that's the look that I got, and I'm quite happy and pleased with it. So stay tuned for the reviews. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the update of the Klaiyi hair bundles that I showed you guys in my previous video. So I thought it would be nice to give you guys updates about the hair. I think so far so good. The hair is really holding up nicely, despite the fact that I actually had highlights to the hair. The hair still has its luster to it. I quite like the fact that the hair still holds its luster and the curls are still bouncy, despite the fact that I added bleach to the hair. The hair is still holding up really good. My hands through the hair all the time. There's been no shedding whatsoever. You guys can already tell how bouncy the curls are. I really like the hair, and I like the fact that it's still very soft. Look at that. I'm quite loving the hair so far. There have been no shedding or tangling whatsoever, and the curls are still bouncy. Look at that, guys. I really like the hair. Please feel free to check out my previous review about this hair if you haven't watched that already, and how I make this wig. I'm quite loving the hair really, and really a fan of how soft and silky the hair still feels. You'd have thought that that was the way the hair came in, but actually the hair actually went through a bleaching process, which does not have any effect on the hair whatsoever. The quality of the hair is still really nice and silky. I'm quite loving it so far. Look at that, guys. The hair was not dry or patchy. As you guys can already tell in the video that you can bleach the hair, you can curl the hair, you can do whatever you like with the hair, just like your own natural hair. So I'm quite loving it so far, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. I just can't stop putting my hands through the hair because I really love how soft and how bouncy the hair still feels. I'm quite loving how it holds curls as well. You guys can see how silky the hair feels. I didn't really apply any products on the hair as such. The only thing that I applied on the hair is the Tresemme heat protection spray, which is very important when you're curling your hair. But apart from that, I washed the hair with shampoo and conditioner after, you know, bleaching the hair. But apart from that, I didn't really do anything at all. So if you have been on the fence about buying this hair, then go ahead and do that, because so far so good. I am loving it and I don't have any problem with it whatsoever. That's why I thought it would be nice to share the update with you guys. So in case you're interested in the hair is just amazing, like guys, amazing. I'm quite loving it so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.